welcome to this video, and today I'm going to show you how you can make a cloning effect in Apple Final Cut Express. Now this is basic principle which will work in Final Cut Pro as well, and probably work in most other video editors. Unfortunately it doesn't work in iMovie, any version of iMovie, because I have tried it before in iMovie, but I think it's mainly just Final Cut out of all the video editors. I know it works in Adobe Premiere because I've done it before in Adobe Premiere as well. So what you'll need is, you'll need a film of yourself sort of standing at either side of what you're trying to do. So for example, here there's me on that side, and on the other one there's me on the other side, and you need one on each side for it to work properly. So first you just need to create a new project. As you can see, I've already got a new project open here in Final Cut, and import your two movies. Now I've just taken mine in low quality on an iSight camera in 640 by 480 because I wasn't really going to be publishing these anywhere, but obviously you can do yours on any type of camera, whatever quality, high definition, whatever you want. But I've just taken these in pretty low quality, so just drag them onto your timeline, doesn't really matter which way. And there you have them, and then just cut them down to whatever you want. If you got any bit that you didn't want, you can always just cut it very easily just by going over here and selecting the little blade tool, and then just going and cutting to wherever you want. I'm getting mine both the same length, so end at the same time. I'm just going back to the mouse tool, selecting them, and press backspace to delete. And as you can see, we've got them here, movie 2 and movie 3, me at one side on there and the other side on the other. So what you need to do is go onto your top one, which in my case is movie 2, and then go over to the little cropping tool. It looks like the cropping tool in most photo editing programs. It's just called the cropping tool, crop tool, and just press it and activate the tool, and then just double click on the movie on the top. And then all you need to do is go up to the sequence viewer here, normally in the top right hand corner, and go to the edge of the canvas where it changes to almost like a cropping, where it changes to sort of the crop tool logo, and then you just need to pull it across to wherever your middle crop line was. Mine's about there. Any around there will be fine. Mine's not going to be very accurate, but you might want to make yours more accurate, and that will do for me. And as you can see, I've got the basic effect going on there. However, that looks quite good, but you'll see there's a big difference in colour between one side and the other because of lighting, etc. So to fix that, I'm just going to select the one that has me reading the magazine on, which is a slightly darker one, and just double click on it, and then just go to your effects bit and go to video filters, and then it should be on image control. It's into image control folder, and it is the brightness and contrast. Yes, that is it. And just drag it on, and then just go to the filters palette, and here you can change the brightness or the contrast so it looks a bit more alike. That looks much more similar. You can't really see the line as much then. I'm just doing it very sort of not very precisely here. Obviously if you were doing this properly, you'd want to do this with a lot more precision to get the colours right, but that will be fine for me. And you may want to do it on the other side as well, so you've got them both at the same, on the other piece of footage as well, so you can have them both at the same sort of setting. For example, I'm just going to have that one darkened a bit, and it should look slightly more convincing. But like I said, I'm not doing this one particularly well. There, that looks better. You can still see the faint line there, but like I say, I'm doing this one very imprecisely. So once you've done that, that is the completed production, and then you just can export it if you want to export it to upload to YouTube or wherever, and that is it basically. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like the videos, and goodbye.